Hi, I'm Bobby Unser. I've been racing cars for a long time, and I know what it takes to make a quality automobile, and so does Oldsmobile. Now I'd like to take you behind the scenes and show you how an entire team, designers, engineers, manufacturing experts, dealers, and salespeople work together to help deliver a quality car to you. It begins with the design. Years before cars ever built, styling is sketched from every angle. Scale models are built, measured, and tested. Individual elements are analyzed and fine-tuned using some of the most advanced technology. Computers are programmed to simulate actual driving conditions to allow for more in-depth design and testing. At Fisher Body, complete bodies are designed and refined to the smallest detail. Components are analyzed and tested inside and out. And when the design is right, it's tested again, around the clock, through heat and cold, over all kinds of roads, under all types of weather conditions. These new Oldsmobiles are driven hard to test durability, comfort, and efficiency. And new car development also includes new tooling, new techniques, and new materials, like the sheet metal used in your new Oldsmobile. 10 years ago, it was just plain steel. But today, those components exposed to the harsh environment have interior surfaces specially treated with rust-fighting zinc. In fact, rust-prone areas, such as door interiors, receive several layers of protection. And in some areas, high-strength steel is used. It's scientifically designed and tested to be light in weight while retaining the stiffness and strength required. This body framing system holds metal parts in exact relationship to each other as they're welded. These body sides are stamped in one piece. In many plants, robots are being used to build Oldsmobiles, and more are planned for the future to help modernize assembly operation. These robot welders are programmed to help spot weld bodies quickly and accurately. Skilled workers fill in joint areas and smooth the body surface for good paint adhesion. To further prepare the body for painting, high-pressure chemical washes clean oil and dirt from the metal. Temperature and mixture are carefully checked and balanced. A zinc phosphate coating is applied to help paint lock to the metal and help protect the metal from corrosion. For more anti-corrosion protection, bodies are completely submerged in a primer that's charged with 400 volts. The primer electrically bonds itself to every metal surface, even the hard-to-get-at places. Sealers are applied along the joints and seams of the body structure to seal the passenger compartment against moisture and to keep the wind noise at a minimum. Continual inspection plays a large part in Oldsmobile quality. One of the newest inspection devices being installed at some plants is the laser optic probe, a device that actually sees. It inspects body openings for correct dimensions. On the line, components are individually checked to help assure proper assembly. The computer command control system is double-checked by an outside computer. And every finished Oldsmobile is tested before it leaves the plant. At this final drive station, highway driving conditions are simulated to test the transmission and the brakes. At the dealership, a pre-delivery inspection check sheet should be completed by a service technician and placed in the glove compartment. Your Oldsmobile sales professional is also encouraged to double-check all equipment for correct operation prior to delivery. You know, there are almost 10,000 individual parts in a car, and it takes approximately 30,000 operations to build one. Maintaining quality is always a very tough job, and Oldsmobile is continually working to keep quality high.